Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in St. Thomas and this section of the highway is finished. Now, the highway is going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway. So this side that we're on is actually 2 lanes, and then the other side of the concrete barricade is going to have another 2 lanes. But because of the construction, you can see cars coming up. So it's not a single lane road, it's actually 4 lanes. It's just that 2 lanes have been finished so far, and so they opened it up to traffic so that they can work on another section of the highway. But as you can see, this is what the road is going to look like. Very nice highway. It's similar to the Edward Seaga Highway or the PJ Patterson Highway, except this highway you don't have to pay a toll to use. It's going to be a free road basically, but the same quality road as those other highways. And it's China Harbor Engineering Company that's building this road. And there you can see a car accident. Unfortunate. But this will give you an idea of what the entire road is going to look like. And this road will run from Harbor View to Port Antonio. I'm not sure if the section from Harbor View to Bull Bay will have the concrete barricade, but from Bull Bay all the way to, I think it's Yalos, but they're building it in sections. The road will eventually go all the way to Port Antonio. Alright, so this section that's finished. Now we're coming off and going back on to the existing main road. So that's just a preview of what the highway is going to look like.